how to add auto captions to your videos for free using the InShot app. By the end of this tutorial, you will not just learn how to generate captions, but also how to customize them so they look professional. Before we start, why do captions matter? First is that some viewers watch your videos without sound, so captions keep them engaged. Second, captions improve accessibility for audience with hearing difficulties. And the third, they also boost audience retention because people can follow easily. So if you're making content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere, captions will help your video perform better. First thing first, head on to Google Play Store and download the InShot app. But if you have the app, just click on it. Once you've opened your app, click on Video, select New, and pick the video you want to add auto captions to. Click on the check mark here and allow your video to load. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to remove the InShot watermark. So click on the watermark here. You have two options. Is either you're a pro user or you remove the watermark for free. So you click on free remove, watch the ad that will be displayed. Once you've watched the ad, you will discover that there is no watermark left on your video. So we head on to adding captions to our video. Next thing you want to do is to go to text, click on text and click on captions. Once you click on captions, we are trying to add captions to our video. So video is already selected here, and then you go to templates. In templates, you see different templates, caption templates that you can use. You can explore to see the one that matches your video, or pick anyone you desire and then click on the check mark. For this tutorial, I'll be using the purple label. Can you see that? So I click on the check mark, click on start. Click here, an icon will pop up showing that the auto caption is being generated on your video. Now our caption has been generated. So another thing you can do is to edit your caption, and you can do this by checking the captions that has been generated to make sure that they are exactly what you are saying in the video. So when you've cross-checked all the captions and they are perfect, another thing you can do is to select on the caption area and then adjust it. If you don't like the size of the caption, you can use the arrow here to make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want. So once you've done that, if you want to do further editing of your captions, you click on edit. You see different icons here. When you click on this color wheel, you get to see different things that you can do to your auto captions. You can adjust your text here, you can add borders to your captions, you can improve the shadow, the glow, label and opacity. You can use the opacity when you want to fade your text. Assuming you want the auto caption to be faded, you simply adjust the opacity by sliding here. You will discover that the text are fading. They are not as bright as they were before. So that's how to use opacity on your videos. So to change the fonts of your video, you click here. Here you see different fonts that you can use for your videos, but ensure that when you're selecting your font, please go for fonts that people can easily read. Okay. Also, when you click here, you'll be able to adjust the size of your text. Okay, instead of dragging the text using the arrow button, you can adjust the size of your text here. You can also adjust the space of the text. You can space out your text using this option here. You can also adjust the line spacing here. You can also click on bold to make your text bolder. You can use the italics. You can also underline your text here. To add animations, you click here and select any animation of your choice. There are different animations here like the in, the out, and the loop. For this tutorial, I'll be using the in. I'm settling for this. Alright, I click on the check mark. So once you're satisfied with what InShot has generated for you, you click on export. Select the resolution you want and click on export again. Then wait for your video to be exported. If you found this video helpful, kindly give this video a like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.